Hello everyone and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. Christmas is just round the corner and if you're looking for the perfect turkey leg roast recipe for small families which makes juicy tender turkey legs which are perfectly done and very flavorful, then you have clicked on the right video. I have a special mixture here and I use some spices to make it extra juicy, tender and very flavorful. So let's get started. First, we need some flavoring, and what could be better than garlic? So, we need around 3 garlic cloves. You can go a little bit more than that, and I have roughly chopped them bit pieces. So, now we need a pot in the stove and we need some olive oil. Now, I'm using quite a lot of olive oil here, and you'll see them vanishing. So, I'm putting garlic mince over here and I haven't turned on my heat yet. We need to put some more ingredients. This is a black cardamom. If you can't find it, just skip it. Next, a teaspoon of chili flakes and it will enhance the flavor. So everything is in the pot now and now I'm going to turn on the heat. You wanna let it simmer over gentle heat for something around 3-4 minutes, just until everything is combined and oil can get infused with all the flavors. Once that's done, just set it aside and now move on and prepare the turkey leg. I have one beautiful turkey leg here and it's saying grill me. So I'm going to grill it today. What I like to do is make some cuts. I like to use a serrated knife like this, a small one, and I always keep it separate for my meat cuttings. So what I do is I make some cuts on both the front and the back, and it helps all the flavors to get in, starting from salt to other flavors that we are going to put in. Now you're obviously ruining the skin, but it's your personal choice. I always like to make the cuts so that all the flavors can go in nicely. Anyways, after you have made the cuts on both the front and back, you also want to poke it with your knife. Now it's a personal choice, I said, but it will really help to get you juicy, tender grilled meat. Anyways, now I'm gonna put some more spices to this oil. First, I have put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and next 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Next, I'm going to put in some black pepper powder, around 1 teaspoon. You can go with half teaspoon if you prefer so. Okay, now it's time to add some dried herbs and you can use mixed herb, you can put oregano, it's your choice really. Now some liquid seasoning. I'm putting 2 teaspoons of soy sauce here and I'm using dark soy sauce which has less salt. Next, I'm putting some Worcestershire sauce and again 2 teaspoons. These are also going to enhance the flavor. Next, I'm going to add some paprika powder. I have smoked paprika powder here and 1 teaspoon goes in and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder as well. Now I want to add some sriracha to it. I like using sriracha on everything. So I have used a teaspoon here, but you can go as wild as you want. A quick stir, stirring is everything, mixing everything, combining everything. And once stirring is done, just set it aside. We need to put some more ingredients here. Moving on, I need 2 onions. One of them I'm doing some thin slices and I'm going to use it for the base of the grilling. So 1 onion slice and the next one I'm going to grate. So using a grater and I'm just doing some fine grating. Once grating is done, you want to put it on the mixture. So now you'll see the oil will disappear because onion will drink up everything. Anyways, a quick good stir and now it's time to bring out some salt. I'm using some Himalayan black salt, but you can go with any salt you prefer. What I like to do is, because they are big granules, I just like to use a pestle and mortar and make them a little bit manageable. But using rock salt really enhances the flavor because it slowly cooks. Anyways, time to prepare everything. So I'm laying out 1 onion slices that I said I'm going to use as the base. On top of that goes my turkey leg. Now next I'm going to rub the salt we just prepared. So you don't need to be very fine with the salt, just use your pestle and mortar and do some grinding. Anyways, I'm rubbing it really nicely. When you do meat grilling, if you rub everything gently and you give your love, your final dish will come out really good. Anyways, rubbing it on both the sides, and once that's done you can set it aside for an hour, or you can just straight away put the rest of the mixture. So now I'm adding the oil mixture that we prepared earlier, and it has all the flavors. So again, you want to rub everything gently, nicely, and you want to massage the meat so that it gives you nice grill. So you want to make sure that you put spices and mixture on all the cuts, both on the front and the back. Rubbing is everything, and when you put the mixture nicely, you can ensure that spices has gone on every part of the meat. Turkey tends to be a little dry and less flavored than chicken, so it's crucial. Anyways, now you want to set it aside for a couple of hours, and then you want to put it in the oven, 200 degrees. But before that, we need one more thing, and that's some orange and lemon juice. So I have 4 oranges here and 1 lemon, and we are going to use all of them. So what I'm doing is very simple, just taking the juice out of them, and it's quite a lot. So you can go for water, but I always find if you use citrus, that really makes the meat nice, tender, juicy, and gives a better flavor than water. So after 2 hours, I'm just putting the juice in instead of water, and now I'm going to grill it. So we are going to preheat our oven to 200 degrees, and this meat goes in for something around 1.5 hours depending on your oven. Halfway through, you want to turn the meat upside down, and also you want to take the temperature down to 150. So now it's done, and I'm going to make some cuts, and I really hope you can see on the video how juicy it turned out. Anyways, that was my turkey leg roast recipe. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please use the thumbs up button to encourage me. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Bye for now.